Hello everyone. Today we'll be learning how to run a simple Java program using Notepad. So now we'll begin. Search for Notepad. Let's start with our first Java program. So public class first Java program and with curly brackets, tab space, public static void main. Again in brackets we have string, brackets args with curly brackets. To print, we'll be typing system.out.println underquotes hello. This is my first Java program. Ends with a semicolon. Again, I'll have one more print statement. System.out.println again underscore. My name is Nikita. Ends with a semicolon. Here, ln indicates that it will be printed in a separate line. In case you want both of them to be in the same line, you can remove ln from the print statement. Now let us understand the code. Every line of code that runs in Java must be inside a class. Here it is first Java program, and you need to know that every program must contain the main method. Now here's the question. What is class? What is method? Now to understand Java programming, you need to understand four basic terms: class, method, object, and attributes. A class is basically a user-defined template to create objects which have common properties. Here in this example, you can see family is the class which has objects girl, boy, mother, and father. A class contains attributes and methods. Attribute explains the state an object has. For example, the hair color, eye color, height, weight. While method describes the behavior or functionality the object does, like eat, sleep, walk, talk. Now to get back to the code, the first term that you see in the code is public. Public is a Java access modifier. In simple terms, it is accessible outside the class. Static means the method belongs to this class and is not an object of the class. Void indicates that there is no return value, and string bracket argument is the default parameter assigned to the method. Now here you need to know the curly brackets mark the beginning and end of a block of code, and each code statement must end with a semicolon. To save now, you need to type the file name should be the same as the class name, that is first Java program dot Java. So dot Java here is the extension. You can hit enter and you can also close the file. Now you can see it's in the same location, saved. Open CMD. Now what we need to ensure is we need to change this location to the location which the file is located. So copy the location. Now here you need to type cd, that is change directory. So cd /d and the path. Enter. Okay, so the path is now changed. Now we'll type java c space the name of the path file. first Java program.java. Enter. Now, what JavaC does is basically it is used to compile the Java program. So it reads your file that contains, declarations, modules, packages. So it will read the entire file, compile them into a class file. You can see behind there's a dot class extension of file is being created. This is written in bytecode. So now what we'll do is we'll go with the next line that will be used to run the Java program. Now, how we'll be running the Java program is type Java and the file name, remove any extension, and you need to press enter, and you'll be able to see the output that we were had written in the code. Here you can see the two print statements. Hello, this is my first Java program and my name is Nikita is printed successfully, and they have been printed in separate line indicating that we had used print ln. Okay, so hence we have successfully completed today our first Java program using Notepad and CMD. Thank you.